Hi guys, time check. It's already 5:52 p.m. here in the church, Blessed Sacrament Parish, and I decided to attend the 6, the 8 Simbang Gabi at 6 p.m. So, medyo inagahan natin ngayon. So, kung mapapansin ninyo is, this is just an audio or recorded voice audio ko lang kasi wala na tayong time for video. Just a little bit recap for yesterday's learnings. It's all about the love for others, on how we will give our unconditional love for them, like what Mary did to her cousin Elizabeth, that she traveled miles away just to see her, just to visit her, and just to congratulate her, to celebrate her. So imagine that. And also let's learn from Mary to give love for others, na hindi nag-ask ng anything na in return. So, and let's value that love, that everlasting love. So that's all. Thank you.
Mula sa lubang kanuman, ang manunubos ng dagat. Ama naming kapagmahal, gawa sa aming pagtipon-tipon upang ipag-ibang ang kapanganakan ng iyong anak, ay mapuno kami ng pagpapasalamat sa iyong loob na dagat. Ang Emmanuel, ang Diyos na sumasa amin, at nawa kami ay kabiyayain ng lakas ng loob na ibahagi siya sa aming kapwa. Hinihiling namin ito sa ngalan ni Jesucristo, kasama ng Espiritu Santo, magpas sa lugar.
Hi guys! Yan, finally mag-video na tayo ngayon. Katatapos lang po ng 8 Simbang Gabi na medyo inagahan natin, 6 p.m. para okay na tayo for the whole night. Then I bought ito bongbong na regular lang, 70 isa. Then anyway, today's learnings is about appreciating everyday's miracle. So yung miracle na yun, simply waking up every morning, the laughs of the children, and some simple stuffs in life na times na hindi natin pinapansin talaga. Hindi natin pinapansin talaga. And hindi tayo open to receive those miracles. Like, lagi tayo nagreklamo, reklamo dito, reklamo doon, tinitake for granted natin, tapos hindi tayo grateful sa mga miracles na dumadating sa atin. So paano tayo magiging open sa miracle na yan kung hindi tayo grateful in life? So always remember guys na maging tayo, joy. Just open yourself in the miracles that the Lord will give to us. Kahit anong forms pa yan, talagang dapat maging open tayo. And we will be able to appreciate those. Madilim na naman po. Wala tayong background lightning, yan, meron na. So, yun. Anyway, yun lang po guys. Thank you for watching. It's Simbang Gabi done.